This is Alard, item Y4254. It's an Urschel model RA dicer. We usually refurbish these, do frame up, and really give them a going over. But in this case, this machine came in pretty good shape, a good running machine. And we have a fully refurbished Urschel RA and RA models in stock. So we thought we would give you, the buyer, the opportunity for a little lower price point. This didn't need to be ripped and reconditioned from the frame up. So you can save the cost of that. It is, as I say, a good operational condition machine. We'll show you that in a minute. Here's the business end of the machine. You can see back in here is the slice shell, and here are where the crosscut. Here are the crosscut blades, and there is down underneath here. We call those circular knives. This is the crosscut spindle down here. This is set for 3/8. It looks like the circular knives are set for 3/8 as well. And of course, the slice shell is crank adjustable. This particular machine has a bypass chute, so you can bypass the slice shell and go right in here for a two-dimensional cut. So this machine is set up to do either three-dimensional cuts or two-dimensional cuts, such as julienne or strip cut, depending on your particular needs. This machine was originally built and designed for smaller dices. The R model stands for relish. It does small dices, such as for relish, salsa, but right now we're going to be doing 3/8 by 3/8 by whatever the slice shell is set for. To discuss your particular cutting specifications, give us a call at 315-589-4511, Alard Equipment, and tell us about your particular industrial food process cutting machine need. We'll get this buttoned up, and then we will flip the switch and see what happens. Turn it on, and let's see that potato there. We'll drop the potato in, see what comes out. Now, we were just cutting on an Urschel 8. You can see the large dices in the bin. I probably should have dumped those out, but you can see we were cutting big hash browns. Now we're cutting little ones. So I think you can see it here. You get good, clean, straight cuts in a hurry. Obviously, potatoes aren't rectangular, so you're going to get some small pieces and even a few slivers. But you get nice, consistent, fast, clean cuts. We're going to put a few products through the bypass chute just to give you an idea of what the machine can do here. First, we're going to dice some nice, lovely walnuts. Well, I guess should start the machine. Just as quick as that. Walnuts. Two-dimensional dices. Okay, now let's try some asparagus and see what that does. Cuts, asparagus pieces. For our next adventure in industrial food processing, particle size reduction, and food product cutting, chopping, and dicing, and strip cutting, we're going to try cilantro. Now, please note that there is a bar across this hopper here. There's still a piece of asparagus in here, by the way, Chris. If you were actually going to run cilantro, you'd probably have to work the hopper a little differently. But we're just going to go with what we got here with the safety bar in place. Safety first. So let's turn it on and see what it does. Hold a little up for me here, just in the light. Yeah, smells good too. Fabulous. Chopped cilantro in a flash. Next, we're going to cut tarragon and sage. Now, as we do this, please bear in mind that this cutting machine has an ultimate capacity of tons per hour, so it's not really meant for doing 3-ounce samples. So, you know, we may leave a little bit in the machine and not that much will come out, but we'll see. We'll give it a shot and put these little sprigs in there and wow. All right, let's see what we got here. We got ourselves a little spice mix here, a little herb mix. Turn towards the light. Hold still now. Yeah. All right, there you are.
That smells pretty good too.
Cutting herbs, it does smell good. Wish we had smell-o-vision on our video channel. Next, and I know you've got that 3 martini lunch to get to, so we're going to wrap up with green onions. I guarantee that these will go through the machine and chop very nicely. But let's see. Make sure. Don't take my word for it. Untrimmed onions. Zoop, zoop, zoop. They smell good too.
I probably should have gotten the other side of the bar.
Nice. Okay, onions. Thank you, Chris. So not only a good operational condition machine, but a versatile and productive machine. They don't come with the bypass chute standard. That's a little added bonus. So this would be a great machine for somebody who does a lot of batches of different products and wants to be able to cut 3-dimensional cuts, dices of some things, and strip cuts of others. And it's here in stock at Alard Equipment Company. There you have it, Alard item Y4254. An Urschel model RA dicing machine in stock at Alard in very good operational condition. Available, as shown here, for immediate shipment from Alard Equipment Company.